Hey everyone, I'm ecstatic to open the brand new iMac M4 in pink today and give my initial thoughts on it. Yes, I too chose the Nano-Texture Glass option. Come explore all that this gorgeous desktop has to offer. I'll reveal who I believe this iMac is ideal for at the conclusion, so stay tuned. Let's get started. The Nano-Texture Glass is the true showstopper of the new iMac M4 in pink, which is incredibly beautiful. It reduces glare and provides the display a distinctive matte surface that looks fantastic. I could clearly tell right out of the box that this will revolutionize my setup. Apple took such care with this model that they even included a cleaner design, especially for the nano texture. This pink is a real, warm pink, unlike the previous version, which was more of a red. It's ideal for my setup and anyone who enjoys a splash of color. Everything appears amazing thanks to the iMac M4's 24-inch 4.5K Retina display, which features 500 nits of brightness and vivid colors and details. The new Nano-Texture Glass eliminates reflections, making it easy to operate near windows or in studio lighting. Additionally, Apple introduced USB-C to the Magic Keyboard and mouse. The iMac's 4 USB-C connections on the back keep everything in harmony for a more organized and simplified workstation. This iMac is up to 2 times faster than the M1 iMac for editing and gaming, because it is powered by the M4 processor and has a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU. The performance improvement alone makes the M4 a worthwhile investment, regardless of whether you work as a video editor or content creator. The M4 iMac can accommodate up to 2 6K external displays, which is wonderful news for anyone who operates with numerous screens. The iMac M4's core is Apple Intelligence, which offers clever, intuitive features to increase productivity. Here is a brief overview of some of them. This feature is perfect for students or anyone reading dense text because it allows you to right-click on any text and access tools to summarize or highlight important ideas. With a single click, you can now rewrite emails to sound friendlier, more businesslike, or completely different. It is comparable to having an editor integrated into your email. Apple Intelligence will condense the key points of meetings and lectures that you record or take notes on, saving you the trouble of subsequently sorting through the whole audio. This tool makes it simple to eliminate extraneous items from pictures. Want to tidy up a few things or get rid of a photobomber? It is quite simple because of this feature. Use your iPhone apps on your iMac with ease. You can accomplish all of your tasks on the large screen, including checking your notifications, dragging documents, and practicing your Duolingo skills. Additionally, the iMac M4 has a 12-megapixel center stage camera. Center stage allows the camera to follow you around, making it ideal for hands-free tutorials or online meetings. Additionally, you may share a top-down perspective of your workspace with others using the new desk perspective option. For artists, students, or even just playing cards with friends over FaceTime, it's a great addition. With the M4 iMac, Apple has surpassed itself in terms of functionality, design, and performance. This iMac has a lot to offer, whether you're searching for a central center for your home or place of business, or simply a gorgeous desktop for artistic endeavors. Please share your thoughts about the M4 iMac in the comments section below. Have a nice day and God bless you.